Many girls just scream loudly when they encounter danger while riding a bicycle and don't even think about braking. So, I invented this mouth-operated braking device for them. Once a girl wears it, as soon as she screams, the bicycle will automatically stop. Did you see that? It's absolutely perfect. This kind of ordinary bicycle often has difficulty stopping effectively when braking. So, I installed a disassembly type braking system on it. When we want to brake, we just need to press this button. It will stop the bike in a disassembly-like manner. Later, I'll demonstrate it for everyone. Did you see that? The braking distance is exceptionally short, very easy to use. It's very easy to get drowsy when riding bicycles for long distances, which is extremely dangerous. So I invented this anti-drowsiness device for cyclists. Now, let me test it for everyone once again. When we get on the bicycle, this hammer will automatically tap the rider's head. The faster we ride, the faster the hammer taps, effectively preventing us from getting drowsy while cycling.